It was a cold day. The sun was good for humans and animals too. Monkeys were enjoying the sun by playing tricks. Suddenly they heard a familiar sound. They were startled by the direction of the sound. They were sitting on the tree. She was sitting. Bandar greeted him. He answered and asked, "Hey Bandar, what are you doing in the city?" "I am staying with a doctor and I am very happy here." "What did you say about leaving freedom and being happy in slavery?" "You are also in the city, which means you are also in slavery," said the monkey. "Living in the city is not slavery, in fact the chain around your neck is slavery. I come from the forest to the city to meet my loved ones and I go back to the forest of my own accord. There is no chain around my neck and I am not imprisoned in a cage. I am the owner of my will and can come anywhere when my heart wants." After saying this, Faktabi asked Bandar, "How did you come to Dr. Sahib and get stuck?" "I was caught by a hunter from the forest and sold by the doctor. Now I'm very happy here. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm carefree playing on the grass. I serve the doctor by helping him prepare the medicine. Staying with him, I have become a doctor myself. Can the city climate compete with the jungle climate? Feels suffocating all the time."